Hello friends, welcome back in the channel of Clinical Care Insight. We have started a series of lecture on digestive system. Until now we have already discussed about the basic overview of digestive system. We also seen the basic anatomy of digestive system. We've seen some of the function of digestive system. Now in today's lecture we will discuss about the nervous control of digestive system. We already discussed about the histology, isn't it? We discussed about the histology that digestive system is made up of by the 4 different types of layers, okay? Starting inner from to the outer is mucosa, submucosa, muscularis, okay? And last one is the serosa layer, which is basically a protective layer we've seen. Now, in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about how our nervous system is controlling our GIT, that's called the gastrointestinal tract. We know that all organs in our body is controlled by the central nervous system, isn't it? It's controlled by the higher system. But you will gonna surprise that there are one unique type of nervous system which is independent from our central nervous system, and that is called as the enteric nervous system. So in the functionality, if we talked about the functionality of digestive system, then we have to discuss of one new kind, or you can say the unique kind of nervous system, that is called as the enteric nervous system. So see today's lecture outline. First we will deal with defining the meaning of GIT motility. Okay, then we will talk about the nerve supply, how the nervous system is controlling our digestive function. And then we will talk about the types of GIT motility. Okay, GIT motility. So make the heading gastrointestinal tract motility, or you can say this in short, you can say GIT motility. The one of thing which is like surprising a student is like our internal organ shows the movement. Okay, our internal organ shows the movement, and this movement, if we talked about specifically, if we talked about a digestive system, it is called as the GIT motility. Motility means movement, okay? And there are 2 main types of movement which we will see after some minute, but just you keep in your mind is that this GIT, which is a kind of tubular organ, okay, it shows the movement. It shows the movement that is called as the motility. Okay. Now this motility, it necessitates the, you can say, proper digestion of food. Suppose if there is no motility, there is no movement, then how food particles will go along to inside the GIT, how it will digest, as well as how it will absorb. So in the case of digestion as well as the absorption, this motility character of our GIT is helping. Got the points? No problem. So about the GI motility, you should keep in your mind that it is nothing, it is just a movement of movements of the layer of GIT, gastrointestinal tract. You've seen that there are 4 membrane, okay, 4 layers. If we talked about, if we write down from inner to outer, the first one is mucosa, okay, then very good, it's a submucosa. Next one, it's the muscle layer, or you can say the muscular layer, okay, and last one is the serosa. And got the points? No problem. So these muscles, this muscular muscle, it shows the movement because it contains some of the, you can say, neurons which help in contraction, okay? And this muscular layer is basically, which we already discussed, okay? For just revision purpose, I am saying there are 2 types of muscles is present in the GIT. The one is called, very good, it's a smooth muscle, and another one is called as the skeletal muscle. So these two types of muscle sets, they are present in the GIT, and just because they are, you can say, moving, our whole GI system is moving. Got the point? So this is called as the GIT motility. Now, as one of the characteristics of this GIT motility is that it is a slow movement. Remember, it is a slow movement, not a fast movement. It is a slow movement. Now, the another thing which you should keep in your mind is that without the GI motility, you cannot digest as well as not absorb the food. Okay? So in the digestion, okay, and in absorption, this GI motility, okay, it's play a key role. It's play a key role. Got the points? No problem? Now. This GIT motility, it is starting from where to where? That's the main thing, no? Because we know that if we talked about the whole GIT, which is a tubular organ, it is starting from, it is starting from the mouth, okay, to pharynx, then it leads to the, it leads to the stomach, then there is a small intestine, isn't it? And this small intestine, it leads to the large intestine, okay? Then there's the rectum and anus. Fine? So this is all are called as the GI tract, okay? GIT tract. And this GIT motility, it started from, it started from the pharynx, okay? It started from the pharynx, this pharyngeal area. From here, this GIT, you can say the motility is started. Food is started from here till the rectal area. Got the points? So if we talked about the GIT motility location, it is, remember always, nothing is happening in mouth. In the mouth, there is a mechanical digestion of the food. You are voluntary, you can say, chewing the food, making them into the smaller particles as much as you can make. It's depend upon you totally. Okay? Yeah. And the another thing you should keep in your mind is that this pharynx, from here to here, there is a arrangement of this four set of, you can say, the tissue, four set of tissue. And we already discussed that this four layer of tissue, they are not consistent, or you can say they are not constant. They shows the characteristics variation. Somewhere they are thicker, somewhere they are granular, isn't it? Somewhere they possess the microvilli for absorbing the food. So this shows the variation. But the thing which you should keep in your mind that this is smooth muscle layer, the muscular layer which is present in the GIT, it shows the movement. So it is about the GIT motility. Okay, it is about the GIT motility. Now, after saying all these things, now let's go and discuss about the nerve supply. Okay, nerve supply of digestive system.